Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A10s. Firstly, open Play Store on both of them. Then you need to click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Then open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download and do the same. After that, choose Send on Samsung device and Receive or on A10s, Then click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will go with this one photo. Click Send, tap Got it and pick one of the connection methods. Password or QR code. If you wish to type this password, you can do it over here and simply click Receive. But you can also click on the scanning icon on A10s, then choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure by going into my files folder, selecting in my case images, and Send Anywhere folder will be here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!